Hi, I'm Matt,
And I'm Laura.
and we are EZDAYZ. We're both retired. What'd you retire from, Ben?
I was a fax teacher at the secondary level for several years. Before that, I was a stay-at-home mom to our 3 girls. Before that, I did lots of things in social services, but the best thing I ever did was be a mom to my 3 girls.
I did a great job with it, too. I retired out of the Marine Corps after 25 years, and then I went to work teaching at the graduate level for about another 7 years, and we both retired at age 53. So last year, a little over a year ago, right, we downsized our house. We bought a smaller house, one that we could easily afford. And our girls, our 3 daughters, are very successful. The oldest has graduated college, is off on her own working. Our middle daughter graduated college and then went to nursing school, and she will graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Nursing in August, right. And our youngest in August will start her 2nd year at Missouri State University down in Springfield. So they're all out on their own. We got a smaller house, and we had a camper when we were younger, and they were younger, and we loved that a lot. So this time we just ramped it up a little bit and bought a Class A pusher diesel, and now we get to travel around in that.
Yeah.
So why YouTube?
Why YouTube? Well, we remembered as kids watching either slideshows or home movie reels from our grandparents. Loving it, but at the same time hating it.
That was painful. There wasn't any loving about that.
You couldn't fast forward. You had to sit through all the narration. But the idea of being able to see the places and the adventures of people that you care about and are interested in, we thought was pretty cool. So we thought YouTube is a great avenue to do that. We can share it with our family and friends, and we may find some friends along the way from following us. So that's what we decided to do.
It's better than the modern day slideshow.
Well, yeah, you can fast forward.
You can fast forward. You don't have to go if you don't want to. Watch what you want. Don't watch it if you don't want.
Right.
So here's the deal with YouTube, and a lot of people know this, but some people don't. When you subscribe to a YouTube channel, it doesn't cost you a dime. You just sign in and subscribe. And if you click notifications, if you subscribe to a channel, you click notifications, then you get an email or a text message or a notification on your phone when the next video posts. So that's what we'd like you to do. We'd like you to subscribe and just follow us. So we watch a lot of people on YouTube that travel around in RVs and travel in general, and they make some really, really good videos. But they're also on a production schedule, and that's great for them, not great for us. So we're not on a production schedule. We're not promising you a video a week or 2 videos a week or a video a month even.
Who knows?
We're promising you a video when we get around to it because we're retired and we really don't want to be on a production schedule. So that's kind of the way we're going to approach this.
We're also going to post on Instagram and Twitter, and our account there is what?
EZDAYZ_RV. That's both Instagram and Twitter. So EZDAYZ_RV. And then, of course, the YouTube channel, which you probably already found if you're watching this, is just EZDAYZ. That's the name of that channel.
Right. So we'll be posting things to those periodically as we travel along. But we'd love it if you would join us and make some memories with us. We'd like to now show you our ride, our second home.
Our rig.
Our rig.
Our motorhome.
that thing, yeah.
It doesn't have a name. It's just a rig or a motorhome at this point.
It is our Holiday Rambler.
2016 Navigator XE 35B, which that's a whole mouthful right there, but it's basically just a little under 37 feet long, and it is our mobile home on wheels. It's not our full-time home, but it is a home that we hope to spend a lot of time in this year.
All right. We'll see y'all soon.
Come join us.
Hey, Would you like a tour of the Rambler? Come on in. All right, we've got a pretty good size cockpit. Both chairs are very comfortable. Got backup cameras, side mirrors with cameras, so that helps with moving this big rig around. The passenger seat is a full recliner and can swivel around, so you can make it part of the living room. We'd like to introduce you to Lola. Lola is kind of our little mascot. We want to include Lola in our travels. She's just something fun for us. And then back here is our living area. So this bed will, or this sofa actually, folds out into a bed, about a full to a twin size bed. Also, we can get an L-shaped sofa. This arm pulls out another 3 feet or so. I do want to show you another bed option, which is right above the cockpit. So this bed up here comes down on the rails. It's automatic. So when we're parked, we can lower this and have another queen size bed for a guest, or however we would like to use that. Let's look up here real quick before we go back further. This is what Matt calls Command and Control Central. This is all of the buttons and switches that run the hot water heaters, the antennas, the air conditioners, the automatic leveling system, all those good things that we're still working on fine-tuning. All right, and the kitchen area, you'll see we've got a bar top seating. One of the things that we did not want in an RV was a dinette. We think a dinette is a very uncomfortable, rigid space that you can't change up. So we wanted something that we could change based upon how we wanted to use it. This rig has got this pull-out table, so we can use it for kitchen prep, or we have 2 folding chairs that are stowed that we can bring out, set here for extra guests. Fridge is really pretty easy to work around in. Maybe a 1.5 person kitchen. Gets a little bit tight with 2 of us in here. We do not have a oven. We have a microwave convection oven, and that is something that we are learning and trying to figure out what all we can do with that, and how that differs from a traditional oven. Cooktop that runs on the propane, and a good sized fridge and refrigerator. This section over here is all of our pantry space, so a good pull-out pantry. I think one of the hardest things for us so far is figuring out what we need and what we don't, because we have a ton of storage, and part of you wants to, like, oh, I should be filling it up, but we haven't figured out what we need to fill it up with yet. So that's going to be an ongoing process. All right. Oh, do you see what's down here? This cute little dog dish, that belongs to our Maltese. Her name is Emmy. She did not come with us on this trip. She is at home with our youngest, but she will be traveling with us most of the time. So we'll introduce you to Miss Emmy next time we're out. All right, let's go back and look at the bathroom and the bedroom.
So a decent sized bathroom for an RV. It's got a corner shower over here that is large enough and larger than most. It's overall works real well.
All right, and let me show you the bedroom. So we've got a queen size bed. It is an RV queen, so that means it's about 5 inches shorter than a traditional mattress. Big thing back here, the wardrobe here is on the right. It is a slide, so it comes in and touches the bed. But we do have a all-in-one washer-dryer combo. Used it a couple of times. You can't put a ton in there, but it's enough to maybe get you by for an extra few days with your laundry. So that is our Rambler. We hope you've enjoyed the tour, and you'll be seeing more of our home away from home.